Hi everybody, today I'll be showing you how to find the area of composite shapes. Firstly, let's do a quick review. The formula to finding the area of a trapezium is the height over 2 bracket a plus b bracket. The formula to finding the area of a rhombus and kite is half xy. The formula to finding the area of a square and parallelogram is base times height. The formula to finding the area of a triangle is base times height over 2. And the formula to finding the area of a circle is pi r squared. Let's look at example 1. Here we are asked to find the area of the shaded part. So firstly we write A equals circle minus triangle. We then write the formula, which is pi r squared minus base times height over 2. The triangle has a base of 10 centimeters, which also is the diameter of this circle. So by dividing 10 by 2, we are given 5, which is the radius of this circle. So pi times 5 squared minus, we know the base is 10 and the height is 5. So 10 times 5 divided by 2. 25 pi minus 50 over 2. 25 pi is 78.54 and 50 over 2 is 25. .54 minus 25 gives you 53.54, and since it's in centimeters, we write centimeters squared. Looking at example 2, we see a trapezium that has turned into two triangles. To start off, we write A equals trapezium minus triangle. We then write the formula over 2 bracket A plus B bracket minus BH over 2. The height of this trapezium is 9, so 9 over 2, and the parallel sides are 15 and 20. 15 plus 20. The height of this triangle is 9 and the base is 15. 9 over 2 is 4.5 and 15 plus 20 is 35. 9 times 15 is 135, so 135 over 2. 4.5 times 35 equals 157.5. 135 over 2 gives you 67.5. 157.5 minus 67.5 gives you 90, and since it's in centimeters, we write centimeters squared. Looking at example 3, we see a quarter of a circle inside a square, so we write A equals square minus a quarter of a circle. We then write the formula, which is BH minus quarter times pi r squared. We know the radius is 8 centimeters, so 8 times 8 minus a quarter times pi times 8 squared. 8 times 8 is 64, so 64 minus a quarter, and 8 squared is 64, so times 64 pi. A quarter of 64 pi is 16 pi, so 64 minus 16 pi. 16 pi gives you 50.27, so 64 minus 50.27, and that gives you 13.73 centimeters squared. So thank you for watching everybody, and I hope you've learned something new, and remember to like and subscribe.